So we have the lightweight transport wheelchair from VOC. Now in this video, I'm going to go over a quick guide on how to get this thing set up once you receive it. But the best part about this is it comes basically fully assembled for you. All you need to do is get the armrest and the footrest put on there. So first we'll start with the footrest. Now none of this takes any tools at all. They do give you a wrench and Allen wrench if you ever need to tighten anything up, but everything just pops into place with pins. This is very, very simple to set up as I just showed you here. Once we get the footrest on there, we'll move to the armrest. Now for the armrests, they're the exact same thing, so all you're going to do is just slide them down and pop your pin into place. At this point, you can find whatever's going to be most comfortable for you in terms of height on those. The final piece is just getting that anti-tip device put in the back, and that pops into place with one pin as well, just like everything else. And if you are curious, the removable mesh support that you put on these seats to make them very, very comfortable, that just velcros into place. You don't need any tools at all either. So overall, I was super happy with this wheelchair. The assembly process could not be easier, and obviously if you're getting this for yourself or maybe your loved one, you're going to need to use it right away, and you don't want to mess around with putting things together, and this delivers that. You literally just put the footrest and the armrest on there like I showed you, and you can start using this and making life just a whole lot easier. So super, super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.